Do you have a modular front bumper on your Ford Bronco? Want to add some more aggressive styling? Something that doesn't get in the way of all the technology. Crash detection, your front camera, all that still functions perfectly with the Steeda Pre-Runner Bronco front bumper bar. Scott Boda here with Steeda Autosports to talk to you about a brand new product, our Steeda Pre-Runner Modular Bumper Bar for your Ford Bronco. We make this in-house on our CNC tube bender. We start off by using high quality DOM 1.5" tubing. We finish it off on the sides with 1.1/8" DOM tubing. So not only do we make this bumper bar right here in Valdosta, Georgia, but we took into consideration your front mount camera. You don't have to worry about this blocking the view or your front crash detection system. The sidebars allow clearance for your headlights, so there's no visibility issues there, and you could still mount a winch right in the center, no problem, plenty of clearance. Lastly, we love what Ford did with the modular front bumper on the Bronco. It allows you to customize it to your liking. Well, we use that same philosophy here with our Pre-Runner bar. You could bolt on any sort of aftermarket clamp style lights, both here in the center, on the outside. You can wire them up to your switch panel inside your Bronco. It really allows you to custom tailor your Bronco to the way that you like it. The brackets are laser CNC cut out of steel. We weld those all together and we finish it off with a black textured powder coat that's got a UV protectant. What that means is you can go off-roading, you can park it in the sun, you don't ever have to worry about this bad boy fading. As for installation, it's an absolute breeze. You've got 12 bolts to remove and your modular front bumper goes on in about 15 minutes. So all pre-existing holes, gusseted on the side. What made us decide to make this bumper bar is we had a good customer here in town that we developed our hood strut kit on and our strut tower bar, as well as a couple other pieces we haven't yet released. And he had one of these aftermarket bars on his vehicle. And every time we leaned on it, it would just flex and twist and bend, and we knew there had to be a better way. As you know, here at Steeda, we love our suspension, so we're gonna make it as strong and as robust as possible. That is exactly what we did with this front bumper bar. You're gonna love the way it makes the front of your vehicle look, and like I said, you can hang on it, you can stand on it, it's super durable, and it's gonna last a lifetime. So as with all Steeda products, this comes with a limited lifetime warranty, so go ahead and install with confidence. Go off-roading with your Bronco, let's face it, there's a reason you bought it. So if you like what you saw here today, hit like, subscribe, follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Keep an eye out, we got several more Bronco parts coming out here shortly. And remember, at the end of the day, Steeda, where speed matters.